Guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Unontobeko Wagangubane. If you're new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button and that notification bell, so whenever I upload, you'll be the first one to know. Newly elected City of Johannesburg Mayor Dada Morero has told the party's Rek Lekgotla that the city has no option but to employ foreign nationals as JMPD officers. Yes, he believed this will fight crime as they understand the foreign languages. Oh yes, he blatantly said the city should employ foreign nationals. You know what? The audacity of the ANC is unmatched. Make it make sense to me. We have an unemployment rate of 41.7%. Then the ANC now wants to employ foreign nationals. Angazi, Shampe, I'm living in a different world. Angazi, just make it make sense to me.
It might be a culture shock to suggest to this REC that if we are serious about fighting crime in Ward 67, we have no option. But those that are properly documented, with proper documents, can be recruited to the Johannesburg Metropolis Department.
When Morero was the finance MMC in the city of Johannesburg, a 200 million tender was rewarded to a Zimbabwean company. Again, remember the 200 Rand electricity surcharge tariff fee that was introduced in Johannesburg. He was the MMC of finance, and now the ANC has rewarded him to be the City of Johannesburg mayor. It's like we are living in a movie, sort of, like South Africa. Angazi ANC ukuthi thathaphi isibindi esingaka. Make it make sense. Honestly, ANC needs to recall him as soon as possible. Please do share your thoughts down below. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell. Don't skip the ads. See you on my next one.